In a world that never ceases its restless churn, where chaos roars and uncertainty looms like a gathering storm, those who discover stillness within become truly unshakable.
The Stoics, those ancient seekers of wisdom, taught us a timeless truth. Peace is not found by fleeing life's tempests, but by forging mastery over the self amid the storm's heart.
When anger surges like a tide within you, hold your silence. Let it pass like clouds across a vast sky. When chaos swirls around you, threatening to pull you under, steady your breath. Anchor yourself to the present moment.
When fortune turns its back, when loss or failure casts its shadow, remain unmoved. For the Stoics knew that true strength lies not in what you possess, but in how you respond to what you cannot control. The calm mind is a fortress, unyielding and eternal. Those who dwell within its walls fear no storm, for they have learned to command the chaos within.
Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher-emperor, wrote, "Nowhere can man find a quieter or more untroubled retreat than in his own soul." This is the Stoic's secret, to retreat inward, where no external force can disturb the sanctuary of the self.
Remember this, seeker of peace. The world outside may rage, shift, and crumble like empires of old. It may demand your fear, your anger, your surrender. Yet your peace lies within, a flame that no storm can extinguish. It is untouched, eternal, forged in the quiet discipline of the soul. To find stillness is to find strength. To master the self is to conquer the world.